Hey guys, in today's video, we'll be learning how to do a Boolean calculation in your ceiling module. Alright, as you can see from the video title, I'll show you how to draw an arc shape, alright, by using the Boolean calculation function. Alright, let's get started. So firstly, come to your customization function and then click onto your ceiling function. Okay, double click on the surface where you want to create. Alright, so make sure you go to your modeling. Okay, so click on the surface and then come right on top here. So as you can see, you can either draw a rectangle, circle, or you can draw a multi-segment kind of shape. Right, so I'll start by doing a circle. Okay, so as you can see, let me change the length and the width together. Okay, length and the width, same. Right now, as you can see, it's not a smooth shape circle, so I'll change the number of edges. Okay, so as you can see right now, it's a circle. All right, next I'll click on rectangle. I'll draw a rectangle. Okay, I'll draw it at the bottom. Okay, so if let's say I'll change the size, the length and the width to the same size. So as you can see right now, all right, I have two different types of shapes, a circle at the top and a square at the bottom. All right, so if let's say I would like to use my Boolean calculation, how it's done, hold on to your control, select the both shape, right click, and then as you can see, Boolean Operations. All right, so the first one is the intersection. All right, so if let's say I click on it, it actually shows the intersect part. All right, the intersection of my circle and my square. All right, next, same thing, hold on to your control and then right click Boolean. So I would select the take union set. Okay, so as you can see, this one, it basically means that it take two different types of shapes and it combine it together into one shape. All right, so you can do that as well. All right, so the last one, same thing, select the both of them, right click Boolean, take the difference. All right, so when I click on it, it only shows the top one, the top shape, the top part. All right, why is that? Let me show you why is that. Okay, so just now I actually selected the circle first, only I select my square. All right, so what if right now I select my square first and then I select the circle next? All right, so when I click on take the difference, it actually shows the bottom one. So what does that mean is that basically take the difference means it actually eliminates the shape which you selected the last. All right, it only shows you the shape which you select first. Okay, so just now when I select the circle, okay, so I'll do it again. When I select this one first and then this one the second, and when I click on take the difference, it actually shows this, the top one. All right, it just eliminates the bottom part, the second shape which I selected. All right, I hope you understand. So let me show you another one. Okay, so right now I'll be doing a multi-segment. Okay, so let me just draw some kind of design. All right, so and then the next one. Okay, so right now I have two different types of design, so make sure click onto your shape and then translate it. Okay, which means transform it to a region first. Okay, if you don't translate, you don't transform it to a region, you cannot do a Boolean. You basically cannot. All right, so right now I have it, I highlighted the both of them, same thing I can do the intersection part. All right, or I can do the take union part. Okay, it combines two shapes together, or the last one, take the difference. So I actually selected this first, so it will only show this one. All right, so this is how you do a Boolean calculation. All right, happy trying, guys.